Many people who are interested in starting their own custom t-shirt business find it difficult and a struggle to get started because of a lack of knowledge and resources. It can be really frustrating to desire to start a business, but not have the equipment or not know how to get the money to buy the equipment in order to get started. For many people in the custom t-shirt business, they simply just think of it as a wish because they don't know how to get the funds to get the equipment and they become overwhelmed. T-Shirt Titan offers a solution to these problems by providing a comprehensive program that teaches individuals how to start and grow a successful t-shirt business in 60 days or less, even without experience or money. By joining T-Shirt Titan, you will gain access to personalized guidance and support from an experienced entrepreneur, me, as well as a community of like-minded individuals who are still building their businesses as well. To remedy this problem, I created a new strategy and a new workshop called the T-Shirt Titan. And within this workshop, I'll give you a step-by-step guide to launching your own custom t-shirt business in 60 days or less. In this program, we're going to provide you with everything from choosing a niche to designing your t-shirts, to marketing your business, to attracting new customers. You'll also get access to our private Facebook mastermind group, and just for giggles, you'll get access to me for one-on-one Q&A or questions and answers if you need it. I'm going to provide you with my guidance, my experience, what has worked for me, what hasn't worked for me, all of that for the cost of admission. With the T-shirt launch formula, individuals can confidently start their own business without the fear of failure or lack of resources. In case we haven't met yet, my name is Dean Johnson, and here are 2 reasons why I'm qualified to teach you how to grow and launch your own successful t-shirt business. 1, I have experience. All right, I have firsthand, real-world experience starting my own t-shirt business, launching the business, getting new clients, meeting deadlines, selling to clients, having issues with my equipment, and everything in between. All right. 2, I have expertise. With years of studying what has worked and what has not worked and implementing what works and what doesn't work, I've been able to whittle down and eliminate a lot of the mistakes. And that's what I'm going to teach you. I'm just going to teach you on what works, what to stay away from, how to find your niche, and how to be successful. I will uncover everything from financing and getting your equipment to product designs, to marketing, to other tools and strategies that I've used, and ways to avoid some common costly, right? Because time is money, costly mistakes that you should also avoid. Are you ready to launch your own successful t-shirt business in 60 days or less? If you are, and I hope you are, then I invite you to join my workshop, the T-Shirt Titan. Go ahead, register. You'll get access immediately. I'll give you access to other resources. Anything that I have that I feel that will help you, I will send it your way. All right. That will be a part of this program because it's not just about you signing up and it's just a one and done. Like you sign up, you register, you go through the material. That's it. No, I want to see you be successful. And I want to talk to you 6 months from now, 2 months from now, 6 months from now, 12 months, and see your progress and success. So that's what you're getting when you sign up for the program. See you on the inside.